In this video, I'll guide you through how to create page passwords on Squarespace. Whether you want to secure a specific page for clients or simply keep certain content private, setting up a password can be a crucial step in managing your website effectively. Let's break it down into easy to follow steps. First, we need to open the Pages panel. From your home menu, locate and click on Website. This is where all the magic starts. The Pages panel is essentially your control center for managing the different sections of your site. Navigating here will allow us to access and modify the settings for any page you choose. Now it's time to select the page you want to protect. Hover over the title of the page you're interested in securing. You'll see a small gear icon appear next to it. Click on this icon to open the page settings. This step is crucial because it's how we'll access the specific settings required to add a password. Once you're in the settings menu, make sure you're on the General tab. This tab contains all the basic settings for your page, including the option we need to set a password. It's important to ensure you're on this tab to avoid any confusion as you proceed. Next, look for the password field in the General tab. This is where you'll enter your desired code. Choose a password that is both secure and easy for you and your intended audience to remember. This step is essential in keeping the page's content safe and accessible only to those who have the password. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that your password setting is applied and your page is now protected. It's a simple click, but it's what locks in all the adjustments you've made. By following these steps, you can easily create page passwords on Squarespace, adding an extra layer of security to your website. Whether it's for business documents, exclusive content, or personal pages, knowing how to manage your site's privacy is a valuable skill. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.